Why do you think there's so many other people in law enforcement who don't have that attitude that you have, right? Who come across extremely militant. They don't care as if they're pulling over a family member. They just see that person as a violator and somebody who is, disobeying the law. So they have to go and instruct them and teach them. So why is that difference between the same departments
Well,
even?
not everybody goes into law enforcement for the same reason. You have to really, really like people. And I love people. I love interacting with people. Prior to being a Los Angeles police officer, I was with Los Angeles County Probation Department. I worked Sylmar Juvenile Hall for 6.5 years and dealt with some of the most violent juveniles. So you learn how to interact with the criminal element, but what should really be a natural thing for a police officer is to deal with people on a regular basis. You can't always teach someone how to deal with the criminal. That's something that you have to learn on the job, unless you've lived in that environment prior to being a police officer. But you really have to like people. You got to love people. And not everybody comes on the job loving people. I know officers currently on the job that can't stand dealing with people. And I've seen it. And they should not be police officers because that is your job. Your job is interacting with people, loving people, liking people. And if somebody comes up and asks you a question, you have to engage that person and you have to enjoy talking to that person. And that was one thing I really, really enjoyed. I was one of the few motorcycle officers. I was a motorcycle officer for 20 years in the city of Los Angeles, Hollywood, Venice Beach, and did not get one complaint because of the fact I knew how to deal with people. I knew how to listen to people. I knew how to take it and I knew how to give it back in a very professional way. And some of the guys I worked with will tell you Kinji would let him have it, but I always did it in a professional way and an intellectual way. I never did it in a demeaning way, and that's what you really have to have that skill. Hopefully, before you come on the department, and a lot of people don't have that skill, and they're intimidated by people.